Hello, I'm gonna sneeze. With pepper. Happy Valentine's Day. Ready? I'm gonna get the black pepper. And ready? This. Black pepper. Happy Valentine's Day to you, Aunt Betty, Uncle Joel. Mostly Uncle Joel. Aunt Betty's in heaven. She died last June. Ready? I'm gonna sneeze.